Would you trust a brand new luxury SUV if one of its automatic seats could trap someone in the third row? That's the question facing some new Cadillac Vistiq owners after General Motors recalled every affected vehicle in a safety campaign involving more than 14,000 electric SUVs. The issue isn't the battery or the motor. It's a power-folding third-row seat that can stop when it hits an obstruction but doesn't automatically reverse, creating a potential entrapment hazard. What's even more surprising is that until a permanent fix is ready, dealers won't repair the seat. They'll disable the power-folding feature altogether. So what happened? General Motors has launched a voluntary safety recall covering 14,540 Cadillac Vistiq electric SUVs from the 2026 and 2027 model years. It also issued a stop delivery order, preventing dealers from selling affected vehicles in inventory until the safety issue is addressed. The problem is straightforward. If the powered third-row seat encounters an obstruction, it's expected to stop and automatically reverse. Instead, it stops without reversing, creating a potential entrapment hazard. The recall applies to vehicles built between November 12, 2024 and June 15, 2026. Because GM determined the defect could exist across the entire affected population, every vehicle in that production group is included. For now, GM is acting before a permanent repair is available. But what convinced the company to move this quickly? GM engineers recreated the issue through physical testing rather than relying only on computer simulations. They placed a box weighing between 33 and 40 pounds in the third-row seating area to simulate the size and weight of a small child. When the powered seatback folded forward and met the box, it stopped, but it didn't automatically reverse. The object remained trapped until someone manually moved the seat back upright. That confirmed the safety system wasn't behaving as intended because it required manual intervention instead of releasing the obstruction on its own. Those results led GM to move forward with the nationwide recall while developing a redesigned seat module that automatically returns to the upright position when resistance is detected. But the investigation didn't actually begin with the Vistiq. GM started reviewing the system after another automaker faced a similar safety issue. Earlier in 2026, Hyundai Motor America launched a safety campaign involving power-operated second and third-row seats in certain Palisade SUVs. That campaign was linked to a tragic toddler fatality in Ohio, prompting automakers across the industry to examine how their own power-folding seat systems responded to obstructions. During that review, GM discovered the Vistiq seat could stop against an obstruction without automatically reversing. Importantly, GM's recall documents report no injuries or fatalities involving the Cadillac Vistiq related to this defect. The company chose to issue a voluntary recall after confirming the problem during its own engineering evaluation, addressing the risk before allowing affected vehicles to remain on sale. That decision quickly affected dealerships across the country. GM halted production of the 2027 Cadillac Vistiq on June 8, 2026, while engineers worked on a permanent solution. At the same time, the stop delivery order took effect for affected inventory already at dealerships. Federal law prohibits those recalled vehicles from being sold or delivered until the required recall remedy has been performed. The power folding seat system was supplied by Yanfeng Seating, with the affected modules sourced from the company's facility in Mexico. GM is now working with the supplier to produce redesigned seat modules that automatically return the seat back to the upright position whenever resistance is detected. Until those parts are ready, owners are left with a temporary solution. So what does that look like? Because the redesigned modules are still being developed, dealers will physically disconnect the power harness for the third-row power folding seat. The connector is located beneath the cargo floor trim, and once disconnected, the power folding function is completely disabled. Owners temporarily lose the convenience of the feature, but the current safety risk is removed. Once the updated modules become available, the final repair will restore the system with the revised reversing function. If you own or plan to buy a Cadillac Vistiq, here's what you should do. If your vehicle falls within the affected production window, check whether your VIN is included in the recall. If it is, contact your local Cadillac dealer to arrange the available recall service. Until the permanent repair is ready, dealers will perform the interim remedy by disabling the third-row power folding function. Once the redesigned components are released, eligible owners can return for the final repair. Don't ignore the recall notice if your vehicle is affected. Safety recalls are intended to address potential risks before they lead to real-world incidents and help keep the vehicle operating as intended. Would this recall change your mind about buying a brand new luxury electric SUV, or would you simply wait for the permanent fix? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoy clear fact-based car news, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video.